I've been waiting for. I was supposed to receive this on freaking Friday. Sunday, and I just received it. I had to open it up and see what we got inside. Made in China. Let me stop playing. Let's see what we got. I got hoes. I got motherfucking fittings, boy. Look at all them hoes. Yeah, I needed all these hoes. Hoses. So I finished a little bit of my car. What up, Kevin? What up, Jonathan? This man done dropped his damn phone. Wastegate back on. Ran a line from the fitting right there. The line goes to the turbo solenoid or boost solenoid, whatever you want to call it. Ran a line off of it, ran a T, ran it to the vacuum block over there. Success. He got a long beard. Look at his beard.
My beard ain't that long.
Hell no.
Exactly. So the other day, my friends was here, and I really tried to explain what was going on with the boost solenoid and the vacuum block. Basically, I ran 2 lines from the wastegate. One line goes to the boost solenoid. The other line goes to a T on the boost solenoid. And then it goes into the vacuum block. So as you can see, there goes one line right here. The other line coming up goes into the T vacuum block. I feel like I explained that well enough. What is that? I got on this tight ass shirt. But anywho, I need to take the line off the brake booster so I can go to AutoZone and get a hose that will connect to this vacuum block. I gotta take this line off. Shouldn't be that hard. I said it shouldn't be that hard, and it's stuck. So I'm just gonna cut the line. She got lucky. Shout out to these rusted ass pliers. I just, clamped right here and started twisting, and it's slowly starting to come up. There we go. Now that this line is off, I'll try to go to AutoZone on my lunch tomorrow and, get a line, you feel me? So I need to put this in a spot where I can see it so that I do not forget it tomorrow. With that being said, see you tomorrow. So I made it to AutoZone. I got that line right here. Hopefully this is the right line. Hopefully it fits. I gotta lube the line up, pause, and I'm gonna measure it from off the brake booster to the vacuum block. So it's dated. I'm gonna lube that shit up with some penetrating fluid. I really just sprayed my hand. The trick is to spray it like basically inside the hose. The hose is not really gonna mess up anything. It's the brake booster, so it's not gonna damage anything. And then I'm gonna spray it on the tip of the brake booster right there. I know y'all can't see it, but I'll show y'all. So I sprayed it on the brake booster right there. I made a little mess, but it'll be all right. And I'm gonna run the line from right there to right there. Let's see if I can get it on. Slid right on. Now to measure it. This is headed in the right direction. That's what I like. That's what I like to see right there. Let's go. Now to find some razors so I can cut the line. You feel me? Also, before I found my pack of missing razors, wherever they are, I sprayed lube on this also so it'd be easy to turn and easy to take off. So I should be able to pull it up and take it off if I have to. It won't be stuck like the line before. I did not find my pack of razors, but I did find this sitting on the floor. So hopefully this is still sharp enough. Hopefully. I'm not supposed to be doing it like this. This is very dangerous. But I done sliced myself plenty of times, so I'll be alright. Ah! I just sliced myself again. Yep, I just sliced the fuck up myself. Oh man. Sorry. You gotta be careful. It's not my first time slicing myself though. Come on off. Oh. It stings. It's not nothing that I'm not used to though. I'll put a band-aid on it. Yeah, don't do this. Almost there. Just a little bit more. Yeah. It's all good though. So if I cut this to the right length, I should be able to easily just go like this. Ooh. Just know it fits. It fits. I'll push it a little bit further after I clean my hand. So I have to turn it in a few times. It's all the way on there. Yes, that's blood.
Oh my god.
You'll be okay. Oh shit, I'm leaking again. So another thing that I have to do is I also need to run this line to the manifold. And I know y'all are assuming wear on the manifold, so I'm gonna show y'all. Right there. So I need to run it from the manifold to the vacuum block. That side of the vacuum block to the manifold. So everything's lubed up. I should be able to slide this on up. Just like that. And now, I just gotta get it to right there. It's got too much hose. Way too much. Fresh out the pack. Don't worry, I ain't gonna cut myself this time. Cut myself. So, like I stated before, for that vacuum source, spray booster, vacuum block, from the vacuum block to the manifold. There you go. All right, so last but not least, Gotta open this box. I gotta put the fitting on top of the blow off valve and run it to the vacuum block. Everything ran to the vacuum block. I think I'm gonna run it this way so then I can see a tunnel line somewhere over there. I think that's what I'm gonna do. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna tuck that bad boy over there. It ain't the cleanest. I ain't really worried about that. I'm just trying to get the car started. Running these lines is gonna get me one step closer to starting that car. You feel me? Another line ran and out of the way. Well, somewhat. It don't matter. I know that looks a mess, but I'm trying to start this car soon. So I'm pretty much almost done finishing the airlines on the outside of the car. I only need to do a few more things to the outside to be complete. Well, the engine bay to be complete. The other airline goes inside the car and has to come out to the engine bay, but I'm not going to focus on that in this video. My next source of vacuum is coming off the fuel pressure regulator, and I'm probably just going to go into the fitting on the manifold right here and then run the insides, all the airlines on the inside of the car to the vacuum block. I also got a little part inside this bag that I need to put on this line and then finish. But now your boy gotta go to work, so I'm not finishing this video right now.